There's literally a storm coming again. So, as you look right here, oops, this is at the wrong side. Look through here. This is where, hold on, give me 1 second. That's where Debbie is. So, there goes that storm. Look at all that red. And it's heading towards my area. There's a special weather statement and it's moving like pretty fast too. So we have the garage open. This is what it looks like outside. I don't know. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what is going on.
Chicken and whatever is
Okay. Okay. Bye. Alright guys, rain is coming. Hold on. I need to do this pretty quickly. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna restart the recording. Okay, pretty bad out there, guys. Alright. You are watching right now live. This is not live. Why I keep saying live? This is a storm is about to happen. A storm is about to happen. As you see here. I need to go check. I need to go check my iPad. Alright. What time is it? 3:20. So in about 5 minutes, the storm about to appear. It's getting closer. It's getting close. Oh, hold on. It is getting closer. It is getting closer. So, be ready. Standing out right over here. So heavy rain is expected in the next 5 minutes. They said they give it about 10. Now they're saying about 5 minutes the rain will probably happen. So, yeah, so I'm gonna have to stay inside a little bit. I don't want it to get electrocuted. I don't know if you guys saw it, but there's a strong thunderstorm happening. I told you to live in Florida. We usually get rain a lot. We got rain yesterday. Now we're getting rain today. And I'm telling you, Florida has the craziest weather due to all that lightning and thunder. Oh, the rain's coming down now. It's a little early. It's a little early. I don't know if you guys could see it, but the rain is actually coming down. Let me guys see a little bit. The rain is actually coming down. It's coming. It's literally coming back now. And here comes the rain. I need to make sure my camera does not get wet. Okay, it's looking pretty good. You can see all that wet spots right there. That means there's rain around it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. It's coming down, guys. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's literally coming down right now. I mean, it did not update it yet, but it's likely going to update it pretty shortly. It's 3:15. We're about to go in. Let me step it aside. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I need to make sure. Alright guys, I'm back. The reason why I stopped recording is I need to make sure my grandmother is nowhere in sight. Because she works, but I'm just making sure that she's nowhere around the area. I mean, I'm not telling her to go somewhere else, but he usually goes on the road or something, but I'm just making sure because the garage is open. I don't want her to see the garage open when she comes around here. Here we go, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, I need to stay away from the lightning. Because the problem is when I go outside with my phone, it always... Make sure for the outside. Alright. I'm gonna sit down right over here and just watch the rain. 3:25. It's not gonna update it. Oh my god, the lightning. I mean the thunder. Oh, we're getting into it. We are getting into it. Forecast, we are getting into it. Getting into the heaviness of the rain. Here it comes. Oh yeah, here we go. The noises. Here it comes. Here we go. It's coming down. Let me take a perspective look of it. Here we go. The rain is happening. The rain is happening. Let me make sure the camera does not get wet. Okay, it's getting wet a little bit. I just want to give you guys a detailed look of the rain. Alright. That's it. Alright. Oh my god. Tell you, Florida has like the craziest. Told you. Florida usually has like nice weather, but sometimes it has like rainy weather and stormy weather. Like, it's like back and forth. Like, days of sunny skies in Florida, but there are always some rains. As we get towards summer, like, we don't get sunny skies at all. We just get, sometimes there's sunny skies with no rain, but sunny skies, but then couple hours later, it's raining. Like, we usually get summer rain here in Florida, but we usually get like a lot of rain here in Florida during the summertime. Like, it always happens during summer here in Florida. Like, everyone else is quite like Los Angeles and all kinds of stuff. It's always so calm and peaceful, but sometimes it usually has to rain a lot. Sometimes in Los Angeles, not in summer. It usually has like, and you realize that there's a lot of hot temperatures, like in a lot of in California, it's like hot temperatures everywhere, and yeah, like in the Four Corners region. Oh my goodness! Like in the Four Corners region, like another look of the rain. Oh my goodness. Wow. 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 Oh my goodness. Yeah, we had the rain yesterday. We got the rain yesterday. I'm about to go inside soon. I can't just stay here for long because what if I don't check the thing that where my grandmother is? Alright, she's at work right now. So guys, make sure to subscribe. The recording will be still there, but I'll be closing the door pretty shortly. So make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. The recording will stay. Because I'll be recording inside the house anyway. When it gets to like 3:30, yes. Alright guys, I think it's time to close the garage. I've been out for like 10 minutes. I don't want to get no, yeah, so I'm going to record it inside. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to post a notification so you don't miss any videos daily. So guys, make sure to subscribe. Bye. Alright, I don't forget, I need to make sure tablet is with me. So, subscribe. Bye. Oh guys, this is a look from our room's window. And it looks, the rain has been stopped a little bit, but it's heavy announced before, so we're gonna go check at the other side. All right, yeah, and there's actually no puddles. There's actually no puddles this time, but the rain was a little heavy. But there was puddles from the other ones yesterday. Like, yeah, subscribe, guys. Bye.